Neutrogena sunscreen, e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer, e.l.f. Color Corrector, just to cover up my scars. Me, when I was in high school, I was wearing makeup. I don't even know if they still make any of those products I used to use. So I'm just going in with like drugstore. The foundation I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. foundation. I was not wearing a ton load of makeup. You don't really have to do eyeshadow. You could just do on some mascara and out the door. I am using LA Girl Pro. This is probably like the cheapest concealer I have. A darker color to contour my face. This was cheap, so you gotta use this to contour. Belly Tin liquid blush to put on my cheeks. So right here, just to give myself a little bit of color. Start off with contour. I wasn't doing this type of contour, but I was not doing my nose in high school. It's optional here, you don't have to do this. So when I was in high school, I was not doing this. Why did I do this? No idea. I got carried away. To set the concealer, I'm pulling Fit Me. I'm gonna set that on the eye, down the nose, here, okay? Let me set everything. Can't wake up early and do all of this. I used to use the MAC setting powder to set my makeup. I don't have that today, so I'm just using the one size. I'm going the same speed how I'm doing when I was getting ready for school. For the liquid blush I use, I just put it on my lips and my nose in here.